Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel World Fashion and Decoration Tour. Today in this video, I present to you some rustic farmhouse decor inspiration. Let's start the video. Rustic farmhouse decor is a warm, welcoming style of interior design that blends the rugged, chime-on charm of rustic aesthetics with the cozy simplicity of classic farmhouse living. It emphasizes natural materials, vintage elements, and a sense of lived-in comfort. Here is a breakdown of its core characteristics. The features of rustic farmhouse decor use natural materials. Oud is a dominant element, especially whether chiclaned or distressed oud. Use of stone, metal, linen, cotton, and jute brings texture and warmth. Natural and earthy color palette. Shades of cream, white, teal, brown, grey, and muted greens or blues, often paired with black or iron accents for contrast. Use vintage and antique accents, old tools, milk cans, typewriters, wooden cradles, enamelware, and messengers. Repurposed furniture or salvaged architectural features like old doors or window frames. Displays and weathered finishes. Furniture and decor often have an old or chippy paint look. Aged old and just metals are appreciated rather than polished. Functional and cozy furniture use comfy, oversized features like slip-covered sofas, firm tables, and rocking chairs, often mixed and matched for a collected over time feel. Farm inspired decor. Think of chicken wire, barn doors, winter sign, farm animals and reds. Galvanized metal containers, lanterns, or baskets enhance the rural feel. Handcrafted and DIY touches, quilts, hand-drawn pottery, crochet, or other artisanal pieces. Decor often includes homemade or upcycled items for a personal touch. Open shelving and display. Open kitchen shelves to display mugs, jars, and dishes. Cabinets with glass fronts or antique hatches are common. Overall mood and ambience. Rustic farmhouse decor feels inviting, lived-in, and nostalgic. Perfect for those who love a cozy, homey environment with character and authenticity. Origins and influence. Rustic farmhouse decor is inspired by early American farm life, where function and simplicity were key. Homes are furnished with handmade features, often crafted with available materials like pine, oak, or stone. The style honors practical living, natural beauty, and a connection to the land. It is a blend of rustic style, raw, rugged, and natural textures. Farmhouse style, comfortable, homey, and functional. Core design elements, expanded materials, reclaimed wood from barns, fences, or old homes used in floors, beams, or tables. Galvanized metals, bucket trays, pendant lights, or wall art. Natural fibers, jute wraps, bed up runners, and linen curtains. fireplaces or kitchen backglasses. Textures and finishes. Raw hewn oak, chipped paint, and rust finishes are celebrated, not hidden. Fabrics are soft and casual, cotton, flannel, taking a stripe, or grand sack patterns. Color palette, typical look, base colors, warm white, soft gray space, accent colors, olive green, dusty blue, mustard or rust red, used sparingly. The goal is to keep things clean and grounded. Room by room styling tips. First, living room is a sleep-covered sofa, 20 neutrals, and a reclaimed wood coffee table. Add open shelving or cupboards with baskets and vintage books. Use wall decor like shiplap, wooden sign, or antique mirrors. Kitchen, white checker cabinets or open out shelves. Farmhouse sink, apron front, bathtub block countertops. Decor, ceramic canisters, mason jars, bakeboard, cast iron skillets. Bedroom, iron or oat headboards, quilts, taking a style beading and soft neutral tones. Use old trunks, clothes, or benches at the foot of the bed. Bathroom, ordered oak mirrors, vintage light fixtures, white bedboard walls or shiplap. Use wicker baskets, soap dishes, and natural linen towels. Decorating tips and touches. Layer old and new. Pair vintage finds with modern touches for balance. Use farmhouse sign with sayings like gather, home, or blessed. Add life with greenery. Bugs are real, like eucalyptus, cotton stems, or olive branches. Hang barn doors or cylinders for character and function. Popular decorative pieces, oven baskets, wooden tote bowls, windmill wall art, galvanized planters, enamel pictures, crocks, and stoneware. Why people love rustic farmhouse decor? It is down to earth and easy to personalize, feels authentic, nostalgic, and comfortable. Encourages repurposing and creativity, perfect for DIY lovers. The philosophy behind rustic farmhouse decor. Rustic farmhouse decor is not just about looks, it is about creating a feeling of comfort, heritage, and simplicity. It brings to life a slower packed, meaningful lifestyle, a love for history and handcraft, a deep connection to natural beauty and imperfection. The goal is to design a space that feels authentic, welcoming, and nostalgic, like it has been the family for generations. Layers of rustic farmhouse style. Read Rustic Farmhouse Decor is built in layers. Here is how you can structure a space from the ground up. The foundation, floors, walls, and ceilings. Flooring, white plank oak floors, often oak, pine, or reclaimed wood. Walls, shiplap baseboard or whitewashed oak paneling. Ceilings, exposed wood beams or rustic barn-style rafters. backbone furniture from tables, distressed arches, vintage cabinets, and antique style beds. Pieces should be sturdy and intelligent, but also charming. Soft elements, fabrics, and upholstery. Use natural fibers like cotton, linen, burlap, patterns, buffalo checks, checking stripe, floral tile, and faded plates. Add texture with soft throws, ruffled curtains, and vintage style rugs. Functional charm and accessories. Use wooden crafters, tin buckets, messengers, enamel clocks, chalkboards, and signs with aged finishes, iron candle holders, old lanterns, or oil lamps. The final touch, nature. Use dried flowers, cotton stems, eucalyptus, lavender bundles. Use wooden tote bowls filled with seasonal items. Pine cones in winter, apples in fall, lemons in spring. Common rustic farmhouse design mistakes to avoid. Overdoing the sign. On or two farmhouse code sign are fine, but too many can make the space feel clicks. Going too modern. Rustic farmhouse should feel aged and charming, not sterile or overly minimal. Too much distressing. A little tint paint is great, but don't make everything look worn out. Lack of natural texture. Synthetic or shiny materials can clash. Focus on old stone and real fabrics. Ignoring functionality. Farmhouse style is all about practical beauty. Make sure your decor serves a purpose. Seasonal rustic farmhouse decor ideas. Fall. Display pumpkins in wooden cloths or tooth bowls. Display throws and dried wheat bundles. Decorate with copper pots, fall leaves, and candle lanterns. Winter. Pine garlands stuffed over mantles and doorways. Use warm lighting. Edison bulb or vintage string lights. Spring. Fresh flowers in element pictures, tulips or daffodils. Light cotton or linen curtains and pastel touches. Decorate with nest, bird motifs and vintage garden tools. Summer. Blue and white checkered fabrics. Use lemon or lavender scented decor. Display fresh herbs, wildflowers, or a galvanized tree picnic dignity. Cottagecore decorating. Here are a few beginner project ideas. Distress an old wooden chair with chalk paint. Make a messenger centerpiece with wildflowers. Anchor with this window frame as well. Add burlap bows to baskets or chairs. Core styling principles. Rustic farmhouse decor relies on balance and harmony between raw and refined, old and new, utility and beauty. Design rules that define it. Simplicity first. Nothing should feel cluttered or overdone. Everything tells a story. Items should have character, patina, wire, or handmade charm. Mix materials. Combine wood, stone, metal, and linen. Let imperfection shine. Notes in old faded fabrics tipped enamel. Regional variations. Rustic farmhouse decor can shift in tone and material, depending on region or influence. American hairy farmhouse. Raw oak floors, patchwork quilts, iron beds, owned leather, and rocking chairs. Prince Country Farmhouse is soft white style patterns, curved oats, curved furniture, lavender, bounces, east silvers. Mountain Rustic Farmhouse, heavy stone fireplace, log walls, old textures, antlers, lantern lighting. Scandinavian Farmhouse, whitewashed interiors, Bailey oats, minimal furniture, cozy woolen textiles, lots of light. English Cottage Farmhouse, botanical prints, lace curtains, teacups, floral cushions, layered rugs. Perfect if you love the cozy charm of rustic design but prefer a cleaner and more updated look. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe my channel and support me. Thank you everyone.